How to connect the ITOUCH X Pro with the Stimulation Reflexology Gloves. You'll simply just connect the cables into A. You're then going to take these cables and connect them directly onto the gloves. Basically, the whole idea with the gloves is to help with stiffness in the hands, to reduce nerve pain, discomfort, and obviously swelling, which is very, very important for someone with those conditions. Very simple. You're then going to get your sanitizer. You're going to choose mode number 2. You're going to sanitize your hands, which you should be doing anyways. You're then going to take the gloves, put them onto your hands. Now bear in mind, the sanitizer is for conduction, and also you could put a little bit more. You don't have to worry about there being too much sanitizer in your hands. Just make sure that they're well lubricated first. You're then going to choose mode number 2 and start to increase the intensity with the plus and minus on the side. Now the first thing you're going to notice is strengthening not only my hands but also the wrists, right into the elbows. There it's stopped now, and there it's starting, can you see? Very, very good workout for after workout. So in other words, used for active recovery, strengthening everything up into your forearms and your bicep, and allowing more blood circulation. Now bear in mind, I'm using mode number 2, but you can program and use any mode that you feel. If in any situation you have, for example, a problem on your thumb, you simply put a little bit more sanitizer, rub it in, and when you press plus again, you will start to feel, you will be emphasizing more in this area, which is going to give you more results with your treatment. So there's 2 ways of using the gloves. One, by opening your hand, feeling it all the way into your fingertips, and 2, by squeezing. And when you start to squeeze, you'll notice that it's starting to strengthen everything into my arms. Another way of using the gloves, close your hands, it will stop. Move your hands away to start to feel the sensation again.